Welcome to Top 1 Toys.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make an island diorama for wild animal figurines. First, let's add some mountains and caves to our diorama. Next, let's add some sand and pebbles. Then let's add some wood and trees as well. Now let's start adding some cute little animals. Now let's add some sea turtles. Sea turtles are graceful swimmers that live in the ocean and lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Did you know that sea turtles can hold their breath for hours while they rest underwater? Now let's add a dolphin. Dolphins are playful, intelligent animals that live in the ocean and can jump high out of the water. Did you know that dolphins use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other? Now let's add an orca. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are powerful, intelligent marine animals that live in oceans all around the world. Did you know that orcas are actually the largest species of dolphins and not whales? They are known for their striking black and white coloration and can work together in groups called pods to hunt for food. Now let's add a penguin. Penguins are adorable, flightless birds that live in cold climates and love to swim in the ocean. Did you know that penguins have special feathers that keep them warm and dry in freezing temperatures? And now let's add some octopuses. Octopuses are intelligent, invertebrate animals that live in the ocean and have 8 long, flexible arms. Did you know that octopuses can change their color and texture to blend in with their surroundings? Now let's add a whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth and can be found in oceans all around the world. Did you know that whales have a special way of breathing through a blowhole on top of their heads? Now let's add a starfish. Starfish are fascinating sea creatures with 5 or more arms and hundreds of tiny tube feet. Did you know that starfish can regrow their arms if they lose one, and some can even grow an entirely new starfish from just one arm? Now let's add some sharks. Sharks are amazing underwater predators with powerful bodies and sharp teeth. Did you know that there are over 500 different species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark? And last, let's add some seals. Seals are sleek, playful animals that live in the ocean and have thick, blubbery skin to keep them warm. Did you know that seals can hold their breath for a long time and dive deep into the ocean to find food? And there you have it, our island diorama. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned some new things along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updates on new videos. Thank you for watching.